Welcome back, guys. When we think about birthday, the first thing comes in mind is a cake. So today I'm going to make a yummy, delicious cheesecake. Of course, with some interesting filling. Who doesn't like rasgulla? Of course, we all love rasgulla. So friends, today I'm making an amazing cheesecake with rasgulla in it. So let's get started and check out the recipe. Let's start with a cake base which is made out of cookies and butter. So here I have some oats cookies, and I'm going to just pour this. You can take Oreos or digestive biscuits or whatever you have. I have this, so I'm taking this. So I'm not adding butter now, so I'll run this blender for once or twice, then I'll add butter. So I have taken like 3-4 packets of biscuits, so I'm taking 1 cup of butter, one, that's all. Sift this into a bowl and mix it nicely. So here I have my cake tin. I just put one butter paper here. You can just avoid this, you don't need to like use that. Then pour your cookie crumb in this. So I have poured my cookie crumb in this, and then we are going to press this nicely with the help of glass or something like that. So like this, and now this will go in freezer, refrigerator for about 30 minutes. So now by the time our base is solidifying, let's make our cream cheese mixture. So, take a bowl, and then I have here some soft cream cheese, so add this. In that I am going to add some condensed milk. Here I am adding a little bit of hunged yogurt, you can say that much only, or maybe a little bit more. No, and this is like 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll use hand blender to mix this, so this one I'm going to use. So mix this slightly. This, it's nice and fluffy, so we don't need to overbeat it. Perfect, the texture is really good. It's so what I'm going to do now is keep it aside, and I'll beat some heavy whipping cream, and then we'll mix it with our cheese mixture. So here is, I have my whipping cream, so I'm going to beat this for like 4 to 5 minutes, or till it will like get a nice foamy texture. So beat this one also for about 2 to 3 minutes, or till it will get a nice foamy texture. So this is the consistency we want. Perfect. So I'm going to keep some for my decoration here. With the help of this or spatula, we are going to just pour this like this. Don't need to mix it with hand blender. If you want more sweet, you like more sweet cake, then you can add little more powdered sugar. We are good with that because I have added condensed milk and all, so I don't need more sugar. So here is my cake tin. So I made another one for my daughter. She also wants one little teeny tiny cake. So look at the base, it's all set. Now arrange your rasgulla in it. So friends, I just cut my rasgullas in half. So now we are going to pour our cheese mixture in this, and then of course I'll add the leftover rasgulla as well, but first I'll just make one layer, cheese mixture layer, and make sure the cheese goes firmly everywhere. So for that you need to just tap this. Here is my second layer of rasgulla, and then I'll pour the cheese mixture again, and just put it nicely, stab this nicely, and then spread this evenly, or I can say overnight is the best. No. So look at this, friends, it's set now. So we'll demold it. What we'll do is, let's do this little one. So we'll just open this like this, and then look at this, it's coming out. Look at this cake.
Wow.
And then I'll demold that also, and then
Yep, he'll do that.
oh beep. So this little cake owner is here now. So let's see. She is ready to decorate the cake.
Yep, I know.
The cake looks amazing. This looks beautiful. And friends, trust me, this is a very easy and simple recipe. You don't need to bake your cake. You don't need to do too much work. You can simply buy tin rasgulla from outside, or you can make it at home and make this cake. Try this, friends. Your friends and family will be so happy. And if you want to surprise your family and your friends in their birthdays, then nothing better than this cake. So try this cheesecake, and please share your comments and suggestions, and share my recipe with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, stay happy and healthy.